Hey, what's going on everyone? This is 3 Shorts back with another video. Today I will show you how to add coffee brown effect to your photos with new Lightroom preset. This preset will make your photos look more dramatic and add some extra layer of mood. If you are new to Lightroom mobile, and this video will help you to learn it by step. So without much talking, let's get started. Okay guys, let's start with the light section. So first option is exposure, then increase exposure around plus 0.4, then increase contrast by 20 points, then decrease highlights by around 40 points. After that, increase shadows around 75-80, then decrease whites by 40 points or around 50 points, then decrease blacks by 10 points. Then go into the curve mode. So let's adjust this curve according to this way. You can see that how I adjust this curve. Try to adjust that curve like this. I think this is okay now. So let's go to the color section. First thing is temperature. So adjust temperature around, increase temperature by 10 points, then decrease vibrance by 11 points, also decrease saturation by 20 points. Now go to effect section, then adjust texture into around 16, so that's let's decrease around increase up to 5 points, and then clarity into 15 points, then increase dehaze by 20 points, and also decrease vintage effect by around 20 points. Also decrease the midpoint by 30 points. Also increase roundness up to 100 points, and also the feather into 100 points. Then go to split toning option. So let's change highlights first. So change this circle into around this area up to with hue with this area. So hue around 27 and saturation up to 16 points. Then go to shadows. So change like into around this area. This is like a brown color area. You will get hue at around 20 points and saturation up to 10 points. Also go into detail and then increase noise reduction by 20 points. Then go to color wheel in color option. So first start color mix with orange color, then increase saturation by 20 points and luminance by 20 points. Then go to yellow color, decrease the hue with minus 50, then saturation by 20 points and luminance by 20 points. Then go to green color, decrease hue by around 80 points, saturation by 20 points and luminance by 20 points. Then go to cyan color, decrease saturation by 50 or around 40 points, then also the decrease luminance by 20 points. Then go to blue color, decrease saturation by 40 points and also luminance by 20 points. In a purple color, you can increase saturation by 20 points and also luminance by 10 points. And in pink color, reduce saturation by 20 points and luminance by 5 points. You can play with these numbers. It's not an exact number, so according to your photo you can change slightly to get your desired result. So now we can see how before and after images. So you can see that we can get a dramatic mood to our pictures, photos. So you can save this preset to use in your future edits. Give a name to your preset name. I will give you like a coffee brown, and then tap on check mark, then it's saved to your preset. It will change your photos contrastly to a new color. Let's apply this preset to another photo image. You can see that how that preset change the color. And this preset can give your photos into new, very moody feeling, very dramatic feeling to these photos. You can see how these photos change with these presets. So guys, that's all about this preset tutorial. So I think you enjoyed this video and learned something, how to change your images into new preset and how to create a new preset. So I think you get some pretty good idea about this Lightroom preset. So guys, subscribe for our channel for future videos. Click on bell notification also. You will get another notification when I release a new video about these presets and other things. So Enjoy it and stay safe, guys.